What's up? What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? AcesBlackStar in the building. I got some bad news. Here we go again. I didn't get the email, but a lot of people hit me up. They received the email. Fyntura no longer has access to MT4 and MT5 on mobile. So they still have it on the computer, but they don't have it on Android or iPhone. So you cannot go to MetaTrader 4 and sign in and all of that. This just came about 4/9/2024, April 9th, 2024. And yes. However, I do have a solution for you guys, because I always remote into my computer at home anyway when I'm actually looking at my trades and taking trades. So let's jump into the computer. If you do have a computer at home and you do want to stay with Fyntura right now while they have MT4 on the desktop, I'm gonna show you how to remote into your computer at home absolutely free, so that you can still check on your trades and you won't need access to MT4 or MT5 or MetaQuotes on your phone, on your Android or your iPhone. All right, so with that being said, let's jump into the computer. Let's go. All right. We are jumping into the computer right now. Let's go to Google. I use Google Chrome. I'm not sure if this works on everything else, so Firefox and all of that. You have to be using Google Chrome. All you want to do is go to Google, what is it? Web Store? Chrome Store? One of these. Here you go. Right here. And it is called Chrome Remote Desktop. This thing right here. Once you go ahead and install it, as you can see, I already have it installed, and it'll be up here. And it's just gonna allow you to set this all up. You're probably gonna have to just watch a video on how to set this up. It's pretty cut, dry, and simple on how to set it up, but it will allow you to remote into your computer so that you can see your trades from your phone. And I will show you how that looks on my phone right now.
Somebody say, "Hey, what's your alarm clock?" My passion. My dreams wake me up. I don't need no alarm clock.
Now, how does it feel to achieve such success?
I've never really viewed myself as particularly talented. I view myself as, slightly above average in talent. And where I excel is ridiculous, sickening work ethic.
Yo, it's your boy Young Cash, giving a shout out to AcesBlackStar. You already know what it is. CEO, boss man, AC Music. We out here.
Alright, so here we are on my phone. I do have a Galaxy Z Fold 4, so it is a little easier to go ahead and view my trades and view my whole screen, because I don't have a little bitty screen that I'm looking at it on. Right here will be all of your computers that you have this set up on. You can set this up on multiple computers, and you'll be able to remote into multiple computers to do this. Alright, so you just click on it, and it's going to show you the previous screen that I had before. And if you are somebody that's working like me and you have multiple screens, you will be able to hit this button right here at the top, and you can switch screens. So I have 3 screens, and it will go through all screens for me. Then you have your settings and stuff like that that you can go to, that you can look at, the resolution and all of that. So real simple, real easy. It's not really complicated at all, but it allows you to kind of remote into your computer. You can zoom in, zoom out, do everything that you would do on your computer, but from your phone. So it allows you to look at your trades and everything. If you don't want to use this solution and you just kind of like want to find a broker that has access to MT4, MT5, I do have one more broker that is my backup broker. If you are interested in it, go ahead and drop a comment or something, and I will reach out to you. I kind of don't want to put it out there because it's my backup one. Y'all know once you start sharing brokers, they start going down left and right. So it is registered in Australia, but it has full license through MT4 and MT5, mobile access, everything. I've put money in there. I've withdrawn $20,000, no problem. It's not sway markets. It's probably a broker that you never heard before. So if you are interested, drop a comment below and I will reach out to you and send that to you privately. If you're just interested in a regulated broker that has MT4 and MT5. And again, it is regulated in Australia, not the United States. So that's something to note. And basically that's it. All you have to do is just click on this button right here, hit disconnect, and now you're disconnected from your computer, back on your phone. That simple, that easy. Hope this helps you guys. Man, I'm tired of all of these brokers going down. I can't find a good broker that I can just put money in and really make a lot of money this year like I did last year, because all the brokers are going down. They all seeming kind of shady, untrustworthy. Man, I wish I knew how to start my own broker. I'd just start my own broker and run it up. But other than that, you know, we're going to find a solution. Boss for What team, we always find a solution. So we're going to pivot real quick, real easily to a whole nother platform. And for those that reached out, we are still going to put together the PAM account for everybody that's a part of the Boss for What movement. If you are looking to, you know, join the PAM account and make some money monthly without having to learn how to trade, or, you know, if you want to have one account trading with the PAM account and then you trading personally on another account, you could do that as well. That way you can learn, you can earn while you learn. But I just wanted to make this video real quick just to kind of update you guys and give y'all some type of solution so that y'all can still have access to look at your trades and see what's going on in the market without having your phone. All right, so with that being said, I'll check y'all in the next one. Boss for What? Let's get it.
Check it for AC, and on the shoulder. Black Star, make a real don't wanna hear show. So if you with it, AC baby, gon' do the most.